Welcome to PhotoVoxel tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will cover the basics of the user interface. You will learn the general concepts and how to use PhotoVoxel. This is the PhotoVoxel main menu bar. In the submenu file, you can open, save, import, and export your work. For example, you can export to the 3D modeling software. In the submenu Edit, you can undo and redo changes, along with other modifications on objects in the future. In the submenu Object, you can insert new objects to the scene, perform selecting actions, attach and detach objects from each other. In the submenu Voxel, you can manipulate voxels inside the object. In the submenu Selection, you can manipulate voxel selection inside the object. Filters allow you to perform complex transforms on voxels. The Window submenu provides all available windows and tools which you can activate in the editor. You can also load and save your layout here. This is the viewport, the central part where you will be working in. In the top left corner, you can see the camera orientation widget. Your open project model is usually visible in the center. You can use the viewport menu to change the camera between perspective and orthographic mode. You can use the right mouse button to orbit your camera. You can use the middle mouse button to move the camera. You can use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out. You can use the left mouse button to manipulate objects. On the left side, you can see the outliner. It shows the scene structure and allows to drag and drop objects in the hierarchy, rename them and delete or add new objects. Outliner allows you to hide and show your objects by using the little eye icon. Below the outliner, you can see the Active Tool Properties window which allows you to configure the settings of the currently selected tool. At the bottom is the Active Object Properties window. It allows you to change object properties like name, visibility, or transform, position, rotation, scale, and pivot. On the very left side is the toolbox. It is broken into two sections, green, which changes the current editor mode, and gray, which allows you to pick an editing tool. This is Object Mode. This is Voxel Edit Mode. This is Voxel Selection Mode. This is a Move tool. This is a Rotation tool. This is a Scale tool. This is a Container Resizing tool. This is a Voxel Free Draw tool. This is a Voxel Line tool. This is a Voxel Box tool. This is a Voxel Sphere tool. This is a Voxel Cylinder tool. This is a Magic Wand Selection tool. This is a Paint Bucket tool. This is a Stamp tool. This is a Screen Space Paintbrush tool. On the right side of the editor is the Material Picker. It allows you to control the physically based material for voxels. At the top is the Material Preview window, where you can rotate the sphere or cube to see its visual properties better. You can pick the material from existing voxels also, simply clicking the picker. Checkboxes for each channel mean if a channel will be affected now by the currently used tool. Below you can see the History palette. It shows recently used materials. At the bottom left is the palette with predefined colors. You can see also the blue wide status bar. It will tell you hints when you edit scenes or voxels and other useful information. You can also detach any window, change its shape and attach it wherever you want. Thank you for watching, and happy modeling.